take a seat and let your heartbeats deplete while I treat you to a defeat so sweet it'll completely delete your conceit. Those feet must be obsolete, cold and even walk down the street to sheets. Your life's just eat, excrete, and repeat. Your exes weren't discreet, saying your meat was petite. But is that why they cheat or retreat? Let's check the receipt. Your first girl got a mucus on your best friend Lucas. In case you got amnesia, your second girl Felicia, who was no Mona Lisa, tried by all means to get in my jeans on Jerry's trampoline. And then for Sam you had to thank me, 'cause I said scram when she said spank me. Looking like an albino gorilla from the Congo, she wanted me to hit that hiney like a booty bongo. And you acted like you won the lotto when I said no to her guano grotto. So you should consider me your hero, 'cause I give you my sloppy zero. Then Gabby tried to bite me and invite me to a strip show. She wanted a threesome, but to that combo I wasn't slow to say no. Then right away she let you go. Not enough dough or blow to stay her Romeo. And that's all I know about your grody ho rodeo. The worst thing I did behind your back was refuse your girl's advances. Your own mom thought I was a snack and tried to take her chances. It must be hell to dwell in jealousy, 'cause in every way you fell to me. My barbell holding 550, my own house, a wife, a family, never beat me in DBZ 10, Kaiichi 3. Tell us who really earned your every platinum trophy. People ask if it's like a slap in the face when you're acting so rude. I tell them no matter what happens I'll be okay. No matter what happens he's screwed. We even made it our mission to ease your condition and try to help you so hard for years. Now we'll fill the graveyard with cheers. Now that I'm done showing you a real bragging knowing to some, oh, it might be going in a body bag. Unless I can inspire your priorities, you might expire prior to your 40s. Until you drop the meth, you're a breath away from death. You could get oceans of promotions and a wife. All you gotta do is arrange some changes in your life. Take this rhyme as a sign that it's time to grow a spine. You won't pay a dime on a fine, 'cause at crime you'll draw the line. Being buried and never get married is scary, but the only one that can save you now is you. It's just you, Harry. When all but just you, Haley. Of you, it's just you, Harry. When all of the noise in your noggin is lie after lie, it's like drinking poison and expecting someone else to die.